there, it's Darren McCosker. I'm inviting you to come and have a look at a brand new listing in the nice relaxed parkland area of Logan Home. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, Lowset house with a double lock-up garage is within walking distance to parks. It's right near schools, shopping centres and a whole lot more. I'm proud to present to you 7 Kugel Close in Logan Home. So thanks for taking the time to look through this wonderful new listing of ours. On behalf of myself and my entire team, we look forward to showing you in person. Most importantly, we look forward to seeing you at the auction.